Bonjour tout le monde. Latest changes about TEF Canada exam, which has rendered the exam even much easier. First change, which is majorly related to the listening module. In listening module, there used to be 40 questions for 40 minutes, and in that, question number 15 to 20. These 6 questions were opinion-based question, which always used to have 4 options. And these 4 options were for the notion, against the notion, for the notion but against some conditions, and ne se prononce pas. Ne se prononce pas means where the speaker has not expressed his viewpoint related to the question, he has spoken about something else. So now onwards, this fourth option is not going to be there, and there will be 3 options, which is going to be more crisp and clear. So for this listening module, it has become much easier when the fourth option is not there, because generally this was the option where the student used to be more confused about. Then question number 23 to 28, where there used to be 3 audios and 6 questions. Like 23 and 24th questions were to be attempted from one audio. 25th and 26th question should be attempted from the second audio, and 27th and 28th question used to be attempted from the third audio. And these audios used to be very long, like 2.5 minutes or something like that. So when it used to be this long, in that case, it was very difficult to actually judge when the question or when the audio has shifted from one question to the another. So now onwards, for these 6 questions, the audio will be played twice. Otherwise, it used to be played at once, but only for 23 to 28th question, it will be played twice, which is a very good improvement in the listening module. And then the audios are going to be shorter. One more change is there, that now the TEF Canada exam is not having that limit of 30 days. For example, if you have appeared in TEF Canada exam, you couldn't crack it, you don't need to wait for 30 days. After the 20th day, you can reapply and you can still appear in the exam. So these are the changes which have made this exam much more easier. So that's it. If you want to know more about it, you can just let me know in the comment section. Au revoir. Bonne journée.